Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to convert sidewalk tree SketchUp model into an Enscape asset. This trick is going to help you optimize your file size and cut down the time you spend tweaking material settings. Especially if you're working with heavy models packed with complex curves, this method will seriously make your project a lot easier to manage. If this sounds helpful, stick around. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Convert your current file to FBX format. First, we need to check and ensure that your SketchUp model is complete and free of any issues. Double-check all objects and make sure everything is properly adjusted. Next, go to the File menu, select Export, and then choose 3D Model. A window will pop up where you need to select all the necessary export options and set the unit to meters to ensure the scale is correct when converting to Enscape. Afterward, select any folder on your computer to save the exported file. Remember, the exported file will be in FBX format. This will be the first file you'll need for the conversion process. Step 2. Convert the file to a proxy in FBX format. Now we'll convert the file into a proxy. This step is crucial for optimizing the model, reducing file size, and ensuring a smoother workflow. Before exporting the proxy, you need to make a group of the objects you want to convert. Simply group them together as one object. Then on the Vray toolbar, select Objects and click on Export Proxy. Once the proxy export process is complete, you will have a new file, which is your proxy model. Then go back to Step 1 and export the file again, but this time make sure to name it with the word proxy so you can easily distinguish it from the original file. Again, be sure to select FBX format when exporting. Step 3. Edit materials in Enscape. Now that you have two FBX files, one original file and one proxy file, it's time to work with Enscape Asset Library to edit the materials of your model. First, open Enscape and select Asset Library from the toolbar. A control panel will appear where you need to click on Create a New Asset to start creating a new asset. For easier handling, you can zoom in on this panel. Once the panel appears, select Import Geometry, and then open the FBX file that you exported in Step 1. Your model will now appear in Enscape. Next, the Materials panel will pop up. Here, you can start editing all the materials for your model. You can change the surface materials, adjust the glossiness, reflectivity, and even the textures of your model. This step is very important because the materials you adjust here will determine how the model will look when rendered in Enscape. Step 4. Save and export the file. After finishing material adjustments, you need to save the model and create a thumbnail image for it in the Enscape Asset Library. To do this, click on the thumbnail icon to save the image of your model. Next, in the Placeholder Geometry section, open the FBX proxy file you created in the previous step. This will be the model displayed in SketchUp after importing. Finally, click on Save Changes and Export to complete the process and export the model to the Enscape Asset Library. Final result. Once the export is complete, your model is now successfully converted to an Enscape asset. You can check your model and see that it's much lighter and easier to use in future projects. If you found this video helpful, I've included a download link for the library I just created in the description below. Feel free to download it and apply it to your own work. If you have any questions or need assistance with converting any models to the Enscape library, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others learn more useful tips in their design workflow. I'll see you in the next video.